We're gonna feed our chickens, and we just saved some few pancakes for them for dinner. And we're gonna feed the chickens pancakes. Yeah. So they were actually waffles, but now they're pancakes. And the chickens are very good. Yeah, the chickens are good. They'll just say 5 eggs or 10 eggs. I'm gonna feed the rooster. The rooster.
Okay.
And today we're gonna let our chickens out.
You gonna let them out?
Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna open the door.
Okay.
Okay. Will they come out? There you go here. Hey. Hey. You got my pancake. No.
Look at her.
No.
She's running around with the whole pancake.
What? Guys?
Come over here, guys. Look.
What are you doing? No food. Stop. Get. Rooster.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Ah.
Stop. I got you some more. Oh, that was
Let Hold it and he'll get it out.
Ow! He bit me. The rooster is going to grow some more feathers in a minute. You want to see? I got 2 pieces that. This is our friend Peggy. And she got attacked by a dog. His feathers are going to grow.
Is she your favorite?
Yeah. She's a favorite chicken. Yeah, we always feed her.
Does she eat out of your hand?
Yep. Every time I go food, she goes and gets it.
Will she eat out of your hand, though?
I don't know.
Let's see.
I
See,
don't
she-
Here.
Yeah.
Peggy's good.
She's a good girl.
And those ones are little. Because sometimes the bantams... Well, I like that
Here,
other chick.
she just grabbed my finger.
Peggy. I should give Peggy some floaties. Peggy.
Sit down with her. She'll crawl up in your lap.
Ow.
she wants your bread.
I don't want her to get
If you sit down and feed her, she won't have to. Let her, just hold it and she'll bite it out of your hand. See?
Peggy. Peggy. Hey, Peggy. Hey! She's spitting full blood everywhere.
She threw it back at you?
Uh-oh. Now she's
Peggy got attacked by a dog, so her feathers are growing back in.
Yep.
And she has a little limp.
Yeah.
But she's doing a lot better.
And she's gonna get better.
She's doing really good.
She is. Well, that rooster, that's a different crow over there.
He's a different story?
Yeah. And sometimes the bantams, they lay 30 eggs or 20 eggs a day.
You get a lot of eggs?
Well, the her chicken is getting better. I thought she might lay an egg.
Yeah, I don't know if she's laying eggs or
I'm
not.
trying to touch her in the head.
Here, Peggy.
And maybe if we like put a camera here.
Come here, girl.
Maybe we like put a camera here. It can watch the chicken laying the egg.
Oh, we should do that. That's a good idea. Well,
Hey, we're back inside. We're gonna play with a new toy. And yeah, it's called. I don't know what it is. It's a secret. I can do this. I'm surprised.
Close your eyes. Keep them shut. Gabriel, keep them shut.
Okay, I can't see it.
Okay. Open them up.
Whoa! It's a chickie. A chicken with Play-Doh. You put the Play-Doh, and then you got eggs with it. And there's eggs.
And I think you make feathers too.
And And how to make feathers,
Whoa,
you
yeah.
use the Play-Doh.
Really?
Whoa, look at
Yeah,
that thing. Yeah.
that's big.
Yeah. This thing can do it too. Yeah. Yeah.
Is that how you get it in there? Okay. Let
Yeah.
me get it open for
Let's
you.
open the tins.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. I'm gonna put it in here.
Since I'm gonna take the Play-Doh. Give him something.
You can see it. I'm gonna check this.
If this is like a circle or something, or better. Let's get this one out.
Oops, there's an egg. See, look, this is the egg. So I'm gonna put inside the chick. I'm gonna push your head. She didn't.
She laid an egg?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, you put it in there.
Yeah.
And then she
Put the egg in.
pooped it out.
This
Okay.
egg is gonna go big.
Let's get that. It's going.
Squeeze it.
You can see it
Yay,
now.
yay.
Bye-bye, egg. Daddy, a chicken did it. Bye-bye, egg.
How about we make some feathers? We're gonna take the Play-Doh like this. That's your egg. So look, and you do like this. See how it's like a long stick? Okay, now you can take the head out and put the stick in, and you gotta push slowly.
To make it go fat.
Don't hold it, Miguel. Don't hold it. Let go. The feathers are gonna come out here. See?
What are the feathers? What's the feathers? They're right here.
Yeah, that's the chicken
We
feathers.
can shave the feathers off.
Now look,
I'll put the egg.
you can put, hold on. We'll put the feathers in, and you can make more.
I'll put the head in slowly. Okay.
I see feathers glowing. That's it.
Uh-oh.
She's trying to lay an egg.
She made one.
So I'm gonna put the egg in here, and I'm gonna put some real play on here. And I'm gonna make another egg
You
and
can,
another one.
We're gonna make feathers.
Oopsie.
Okay, count it for 1, 2, 3.
Dun, dun, dun. I'll make it here. Sorry. This way. Back the shell. Who ate the egg?
My turn.
you putting it on there?
I'm gonna make an egg. This egg is inside. Flat egg.
Where's my feather?
Oh, look at that.
Is it pretty?
Oh, I like that one. The white one's pretty. You can put it next to the blue one.
Oops.
It's okay, I'll pick it up.
Okay, put the white
This
feather here.
thing, the
You can put it on the
egg is
chicken.
gonna be big.
Okay, I can put on the chicken.
Big is so big. I hope. Yeah. See, there's so much.
Chicken is fine.
Put the orange one on there too.
I think the orange one can go here. Let's make an airplane. Chicken.
She's got a lot of
I'm gonna make
feathers.
a huge egg.
Make one.
With the roof, with it.
I'm gonna leave it like this. It would make big. It'll be big.
I need to make it bigger. Okay, so it can see just one into a ball. and then like snap it, and make another one for this side.
I put the egg in here.
Did she lay it?
She ate one.
She laid an egg. Show me the egg.
Okay. So now I'm gonna cut it.
You gonna cut it?
The egg breaks apart.
On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
A white egg. I can make
It
an orange
looks
egg.
like acorn.
Yeah. Acorn. It's a cool egg.
I'm gonna make the second egg.
More feathers?
Yep.
You can use that red.
It's not the big blue.
The blue's in the blue's right here.
I guess I gotta make one feather. Did I make it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the feather's broke.
Oh, it's okay.
I got some blue on the cheek.
Hold her up.
Careful.
Push the feather in. So it stays. She's getting top heavy. Or she's getting booty heavy.
What should we name her?
What do you want to name her?
Who's gonna hold her?
Furry.
What?
Furry.
Fergie?
Oh, Peggy.
Yeah. Peggy.
We have a Peggy.
It fell. Oh, the feather's fall.
I love her.
He's keep
I think she
falling.
has too many feathers.
Yeah, let's take some blue off. Look, that's mine. Make my leg.
You're making the feather upside down.
Yeah. Okay. Now push this one. She's gonna fall.
Show me the feather.
This feather. This feather's gonna go in here. The one on
You can
here.
stand her up again.
She needs some more feathers.
You can put different color feathers in her
It's gotta be different.
neck.
I have an idea. I'm gonna make it egg.
Need more. I hope you had fun playing wild blue chickens outside and the Play-Doh chickens.
Subscribe to our channel. Sweet.